Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the problem. Miranda baked 300 cookies. Some of them were chocolate chip cookies, and 128 of them were sugar cookies. How many chocolate chip cookies did Miranda bake? To solve this problem, we're going to be using the US standard algorithm for subtraction. And I'm also going to be using our base 10 blocks to model each step of the problem as I talk us through it. So first and foremost, we're going to look at the ones place. And we can see that we cannot take 8 from 0. So because of that, we're going to move over to our tens place. And we can see that we cannot take 2 from 0. So one more time, we're going to move over to our hundredths place. And we're going to have to borrow a set of 10 from our hundredths place. So that we can carry these over back 2 places to get to our ones. And what does that look like using our blocks? Okay, so we're going to move all of these over and group them into groups of 10 standing alone. And what that looks like is 10 groups of 10, because 10 groups of 10 make 100. Okay, so we're going to take away one group of 10, which will leave us with, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're left with 9. Oh, sorry, we're bring over the 1, like we did over here. We're going to cross it out and see that we're left with 9. And move that 1, this one, again back over here to our ones place. For that, we're going to have to decompose our group of 10 into ones, because we are working in the ones place. And we have 8. So I'm going to take away, we're going to first take these apart into singulars. Oops. And we're going to take away 8 from 10. So I'm going to cross these out as I go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are left with 2 blocks in our ones place. So here we have 2. Okay, now moving over to our tens place, we see that we have, we can take away 2 from 9. Okay, so we're going to move over to, let me get this off, over here, and we're going to take away 2. Let's go ahead actually and cross out one of our blocks. So we're left with 9 right here. Oh my goodness. And we're going to cross out, take these apart. This is way harder. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to take 2 away from 9. So 1, 2. And so we're left with a 7 in our tens place. So we have 7. And coming back over to the hundreds, where we had to take our group of 10 away originally, we can look over here at our tens blocks and see that we do not have any, we only have 2 groups of, one group of 100s left. Because 2 minus 1, take away this 1, 100, and we are left with 1. And that is how we will solve our problem today. So our answer is 172 chocolate chip cookies.